this f***ing bridge sucks. Damn. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Well, out here today on another nice day, getting out for a ride. Who would have thought that in November we would have had a tropical storm roll through? And man, did it bring some heavy ass rains. I mean, it rained like it has not rained in a long time. But luckily, no damage. The winds weren't bad, just made a hell of a mess. Figured it'd be nice to get out and take a ride and see what's going on. Yeah, so we're out here today. We're going to be heading over to one of my gym's locations. We're going to go check out a fitness competition, see what's going on. They're having a little like expo. It's an all-day competition, and we'll see what goes on from there. But that kind of like leads to like what I wanted to like chat about, which was lack of motivation. And I've been suffering a little bit from a lack of motivation recently, mostly this year, because as everyone knows, 2020 isn't the greatest year so far, and it doesn't seem to be getting much better. You know, we're still locking down. They want to cancel Thanksgiving, they want to cancel Christmas, they want to cancel all the fun. So, luckily having this bike and having this kind of like outlet to work on the bike and get out and ride, it's a great form of therapy. I tell you, at the beginning of this year started off really great. Everything was going great. I was, super motivated and everything. Work was going great. Personal life, I was exercising non-stop. I was probably in my peak physical condition coming into the end of last year. But once the pandemic hit and, everything got shut down for several months, laziness just ensued, and, couldn't go to the gym, couldn't go do anything. Work took a dump. It took a toll mentally. And I thought, since we are in November and it is Men's Mental Health Month, I thought this was a good subject just because mental health is a big deal for men. And I don't think men in general talk about their mental health openly like women do, but it does take a toll on you if you just keep it internal. But I kind of am suffering a little bit from a lack of motivation, and it's been really hard to get back to where I was. Back in 2019, I was hitting the gym 6 days a week, multitask multiple projects at work, get them all done in a timely fashion. Just had a great drive to just get things done and efficiently and as fast as possible. And, it was just a great year. But 2020, man, just zapped it. I'm really having a struggle to get back into that kind of mindset. And it's taken me a while, but I'm back up to like 3 to 4 days a week at the gym. Work is getting better, but it's still not the same because the world's not the same yet, and I don't know when it will be the same, to be honest with you. But luckily, this channel has given me sort of an outlet for being creative again. Let me speak about things that are on my mind, and it generally makes me feel pretty good. So, and I really appreciate all the comments and all the support and all the subscribers. So thank you again. It really helps. And if you're new to the channel, please consider and hit that subscribe button below, hit that like button, and hit that bell. Consider subscribing because it always helps. So yeah, we're heading out over here to the Clearwater Largo area. The competition is the Clearwater Beach Brawl. And last year I actually competed in the Clearwater Beach Brawl. And while I am not what I would consider an elite athlete or a high-level competitor. I did consider myself fairly fit at the time, and I thought I held my own against people that were a lot younger and a lot fitter than me. So, you know, while I didn't win anything, it was fun to compete and just see what I could do. Competitions aren't, they're tough. They definitely try your abilities. They can definitely see what you're made of and see where your weaknesses are and see where you can improve. Not only for me does it bring a physical benefits, but mentally it helps me out because I'm naturally a very competitive person. It's not about winning, but it's just about seeing if you can take it to the next level. So we'll take a look at some of these people that were some of my friends and people that I go to the gym with. There's a lot of other people that are going to be there as well. It's a fairly big competition, but I thought we'd go check it out and see what's going on. I still like to go support my friends in my gym. I'm just going to go stop and say hey and just take a look at the event because they have a lot of things going on. So I'll take some footage of that and you know, see what you think. Well, that was a lot of fun. Got to check out the competition for a little bit, see some people from my gym competing. You know, I know it's not everyone's cup of tea, but I enjoy it. I actually kind of I felt bad that I wasn't competing this year. I feel like I should have tried a little harder to be a little more motivated this year. You know, that was a good little reminder to myself that, you know what, maybe I do just need to like buckle down and just, you know, get into it a little harder. But you know, in the end, you just got to find what works for you and what will bring your mental spirits back up. You know, I hope you've enjoyed this little mental health rant, but I appreciate it if you stuck around this far, and hope you enjoyed a little bit of that footage. So as always, you know, thanks for watching, and you know, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Appreciate it. Every little bit helps. And you know what? I'll catch you on the next one. All right, YouTube. I'll see you on the next one. You keep riding. Stay safe. All right. Peace.